All right, we're finding the area of a regular polygon, and the formula for that is area is equal to 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. So let's calculate the perimeter here. It's a hexagon, so there's 6 sides. 6 times 20 miles per side is 120 miles, right? 20 times 6 equals 120 p. So then we can say, okay, they gave us the apothem length. They said that it was 17.3. And we've got 120 for the perimeter. And they want us to round it off to the nearest tenth. So let's do this calculation. 0.5 times 17.3 times 120 equals 1,038 exactly. So the area equals 1,038. It's area, so it's squared units, and their units are miles, so it's miles squared, and that is D.